Did you know you can buy gadgets that are questionable or even illegal? Yep, some items that push legal boundaries can still be found online, even on popular platforms like Amazon. Let's take a look at illegal gadgets you can actually buy online. Let's get started. Security tag magnet remover. Have you ever noticed those security tags on clothes and other items in stores? They're designed to set off alarms if someone tries to walk out without paying. But there's a gadget called the security tag magnet remover that can detach these tags with ease. Many retail stores use security tags attached to items which are removed at checkout. These tags often trigger alarms if taken through the store's exit. While getting past the alarm is one challenge, there's also a tool available online designed to remove these tags completely. This device can detach tags of different sizes and shapes, and it usually comes with a user-friendly guide to help you operate it effectively. This device is simple to use and can be bought online. While it's handy for store employees, its misuse for shoplifting is a big problem. It's a prime example of how a useful tool can also be a tool for illegal activity. Night vision goggles. Night vision goggles, originally developed for military use, have found their way into civilian life, often used for activities like hunting or neighborhood watch. These devices enable users to see clearly in the dark, thanks to adjustable illumination settings and advanced optical technology. They can reveal details of animals and plants even in total darkness or low light condition. Many models also allow users to capture high-definition photos and videos, offering playback options with impressive clarity. For hunters, features like motion detection and anti-shake technology ensure stable and precise viewing. Whether for nighttime exploration or enhancing community safety, these goggles make 24-hour visibility a reality. Mini GPS tracker. Modern gadgets often come with tracking features, making it easier to locate lost items. These trackers are also valuable for surveillance, such as monitoring vehicles in real time. A compact GPS tracker, like the GF07, is designed to attach to metallic surfaces such as cars or trucks using strong built-in magnets. No additional installation needed. By inserting a functional SIM card, you can track its location online, including on platforms like Google Maps. Additionally, the tracker allows for remote audio monitoring by calling the SIM card number, activating its microphone to capture sound discreetly without any visible indicators. Lightweight and portable, this device is versatile for various tracking needs. Keychain knives. You might think finding sharp knives online would be challenging, but there's a surprising variety available, many disguised as stylish keychains. These keychain knives come in various designs, often featuring a durable ring to securely hold your keys. The standout feature is the fold-out blade, which can range from petite and practical to intricately designed knife set. With high-quality locking mechanisms and compact functionality, these tools are as reliable as they are discreet. They're not just handy for everyday tasks, they also ensure no one will casually grab for your keys. Pocket chip. The Pocket chip is a compact and portable computer perfect for tech enthusiasts. Running on Linux, it features a built-in keyboard and includes tools for coding and game development, making it a miniature laptop that fits right in your pocket. While it's an excellent device for learning and experimenting with technology, its advanced capabilities also mean it could potentially be used for less ethical purposes. Its small size and powerful features make it a versatile gadget, but using it responsibly is essential. SRTYH listening device. The SRTYH listening device appears unassuming at first glance, commonly used for practical purposes like detecting pipeline leaks or evaluating wood. However, it also has the capability to pick up sounds through walls, windows, and doors. Equipped with a highly sensitive metal probe and advanced headphones, it can amplify even the faintest noises from behind solid barriers. Compact and portable, it's a handy tool for legitimate tasks, but its potential for eavesdropping raises privacy concerns. The idea of someone using such a device to listen in on private conversations is certainly discomforting. Lawmate Clip Camera. The tie clip hidden camera is a discreet surveillance tool designed to blend seamlessly with your attire. While not something most people would casually wear, it offers an inconspicuous way to record high-quality video. Styled as a simple tie clip, this covert camera captures clear footage with 550 lines of resolution. Battery-powered and easy to use, it connects to a DVR for instant playback, ideal for those who need a subtle recording option without drawing attention. Car key grabber. Did you know that nearly 2,000 cars are stolen every day in the United States? That's a staggering number. Modern cars are equipped with convenient keyless entry systems. These systems let you unlock and start your car without even pulling the key fob out of your pocket. Sounds great, right? Well, not when you find out about a device called the car key grabber. This gadget can pick up the signal from your car's key fob, record it, and then trick your car into thinking the actual fob is nearby. With this device, someone can unlock your car, start the engine, and drive off, all without breaking a window. Scary, isn't it? To protect yourself, always be cautious about where you use your key fob. Avoid using it if someone suspicious is hanging around nearby. A little awareness can go a long way. Destruct hard drive data eraser. Deleting files from your computer may seem like a secure way to get rid of sensitive information, but in reality, it doesn't guarantee complete removal. Even after a factory reset, traces of your data can often still be recovered. That's where the Destruct Hard Drive Data Eraser steps in. This military-grade device offers a fail-safe way to ensure that your data is permanently erased. It works by overwriting the data multiple times, rendering it completely unrecoverable. Whether you're preparing to sell or dispose of an old hard drive, this tool provides peace of mind by leaving no trace of your private files behind. It's a handy tool if you're getting rid of an old computer and want to protect your private information. However, the same tool can also be misused by people trying to hide evidence or erase incriminating data. It's a double-edged sword, and its availability raises importance. Multi-pick Chronos. If you've ever watched someone pick a lock in a movie, you might have wondered how they do it. The multi-pick Chronos takes that curiosity to another level by making lockpicking almost effortless. Perhaps too effortless. This electric lockpick gun is designed for precision and ease of use, combining a compact and lightweight design with impressive power. It's capable of opening a wide variety of locks with minimal effort. While it's marketed as a professional tool for locksmiths, its simplicity and effectiveness raise concerns about its misuse. This gadget is a perfect example of technology that demands responsible use. It's designed in Germany with top-notch engineering, making it the quietest lockpicking tool out there. While it's intended for locksmiths and other professionals, it's pretty alarming to think that anyone can order one online. Imagine the potential for misuse. It's enough to make you double-check your door locks. The internet has made life easier in so many ways, but it's also made it possible to access gadgets that can cross legal and ethical lines. While some of these items have legitimate uses, their potential for misuse is undeniable. It's up to us to use technology responsibly and ensure that our actions don't harm others. Stay safe, stay informed, and always think twice before buying something that could land you in hot water. What do you think about these gadgets? Let us know in the comments below.